When you call, when you call, when you call, and I'm horny. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting on your body. Don't you know I've been dancing alone at the park?
Guys, I'm here again with Mariana. So right now we're at Schlitterbahn. Yay! I'm like so tired. We had to wake up early. Now it's something. I think we've done that. Well, yeah, I think we're gonna go in right now. And maybe we're gonna get on those. I'm like so excited. But yeah, I'll catch you guys up later. We're just waiting for my mom and dad. And yeah, I know it's kind of like loudish, but like we're here, we're okay. It's like so loud because I'm listening to that shit. And I'm just like, okay. And then my duffel bag is like hitting my back, that back. But yeah, I hope we have a lot of fun. That's like when like we're at the beach. We're at the Schlitterbahn thing, but like awesome right now. I'm sorry if you can't hear me, but like that's a big ass damn bitch. Nice, oh my god. I love this. I'm scared that my camera's gonna like drown or something. So freaking awesome. And the water's so warm. Like whenever I always come, it's always cold. But right now it's warm, like I mean warm. But yeah, I'll catch you guys up. We're in Schlitterbahn. So yeah. So guys, I'm here with us. I haven't recorded nothing, and I'm sorry like if it's too loud, but like there's like kids playing over there. Like I don't know. Right now we're like on a horsey shit. I guess. Like, look. It's not that bad, okay? I'm like, but yeah, I'm sorry I haven't recorded that much. I don't know. And this thing just started moving, so yeah. It's like, woo, I'm going up. I'm going down. I'm going up. And I'm going down. But yeah, guys, I'll reach you up later. Like, I don't know when, but later in the day. Because right now it's like 3:21 p.m. So yeah. Hi guys. So right now we're gonna go to the room. Yeah, I guess. I hate elevators. I hate elevators, to be honest. They're just like, I don't know. Oh my god, it's actually very nice, but like it's so dark. I'm sorry if I look so ill right now. Oh yeah. 323 pesos. 340. 340. Oh my god, this is a nice hotel, to be honest, but like they need better lighting. 340. Oh my god. 340.
Oh, 340.
Yeah. And we're going on the wrong way. Espérenme. I'm horrible at these things. I'm sorry if I look so black. It's like, and now my clothes is getting wet. So yeah, right now, okay, you guys, like, we're at the room, I guess, yeah. We actually were in that building over there. We have to come to this one. I'm just like, really? But yeah, I'll see you guys like in a bit, like 1 minute, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're here already.
No, no te
We just need to put the key. There you go.
Oh.
Damn, it's so pretty. Nice. So nice, guys, to be honest. Look. You had this view. Oh, hey guys, I haven't recorded in a little bit. I'm sorry, like, oh my god, look. Ugh. But we're still here, we spending the night. So yeah, we're still here. And like, it's barely 10 and it's super dark. It feels like it's like 11 or something, to be honest. But like, it's so early. Like, I'm okay, there. You can see me better, guys. And I'm sorry, like, it's so windy. I'm here with my mom, my friend Mariana, and my sister over there. Right now we're gonna go again to the beach. It's like so dark. Like, but yeah, guys, like, I'll catch you guys up like in a little bit, I guess. So yeah. Hey guys, I haven't like recorded since yesterday. It's day today. We're up there. Now we're going down because yeah. And I'm here with her and with that thing. Stop clicking on it. So welcome to my new house. So this is the fifth floor. This is the elevator. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not that much. But we're going into here. So yeah, today is our second day at my new house. I'm in the third floor in room 340. I'll just grab this. Thank you. My hair is so messed up. I have this, like at 9:45 I'm gonna change it, and then I have this to open the room. So yeah, I'm sorry, you just saw my ugly ass chin. But she couldn't do. Oh my god. She's so funny. So we're back in the room. I'm like so tired. I can't get the light. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna go back to sleep because I'm so tired. And yeah, so this is not good. I'm tired and that's not good. But yeah, I think we're still gonna be here. I'll record more or not. Yeah, but I'll catch you guys up later. Woo! Hi guys, welcome back. But I'm so tired. Like it's already 7:37. I'm so tired. I'm sorry, like if I didn't record it that much, or if it was like really bad, like always. But yeah, I hope you guys like it and subscribe. Hit the like button, I guess. Because I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a shower and go to sleep. I love you guys. So yeah. Bye. Give you a lot of kisses. Hope you guys enjoy this.